Hey, what's up, Cajun Country? West Coast Cajun here, back with another bass fishing adventure down in southern Idaho. What is up, everybody? It is, excuse my language, hot as hell today. 98 degrees, bluebird skies, middle of July. Got the kayak out here today, gonna hit up Lake Lowell. Gonna go see if we can rip some lips. I was out here about a week ago. The crankbait was money. My old man got 2 or 3 on that bad boy. So I got the 6 cents crush tied on, a little square bill action, see if we can't get one on that. I got the wacky rig, the drop shot, got some top water tied on. I got a little bit of everything because I'm not really sure what the bite's gonna look like. My plan is to make a run today. See if I can show you guys. It's quite a little distance here. I'm gonna make a run all the way down there to those trees down there. There's supposed to be a good bass bite going on and that pump is moving water. But this is looking really good. I see fry in the water and I've seen fish hit in the water, so I'm not really sure what's gonna happen. We're gonna have to figure out where the bite is and what's going on. I got a feeling the weeds and the structure are gonna play a big role today. So it's kind of where we're at. We gotta get out there, we gotta figure out a bite and see what's up. Hey guys, like I always say, I really appreciate you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit me up with a comment, definitely hit that like, give me a thumbs up, man. Let's see if we can rack up some likes on this video. Besides that, I think it's time to hit the water. This is West Coast Cajun just saying keep them lines tight. I'll see you on the water. Here we go. Better. Alright, let's see here. Which frog are we gonna throw? 8:15, not a single bite yet. Like, not even a hit. I just can't find them, man. They're either in this shit or they're down somewhere. See if there's something living under this. I doubt it. Heck yeah, that's a good smallie. Nice smallie. All right. All right, nice smallie. Took me all day to get them, but I got them. Thank you, Jesus. See you, dude. Peace. I bet that was a smallie I had earlier too. I thought that was a largie the way he was fighting. It's a good smallie. Guess I should have been over here to all the morning. Should have just stayed over here. Nah, I just lost one. I had another one. Yeah, that was a pretty good smallie, huh? That was ugly. I'll take it though. Heck yeah. All right. There we go. What a mess. What a decent little dude. All right. I'll take it. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Mr. Fish. Till next time. Peace. Oh yeah. There we go, there we go. I'm happy with that. Tell you what though, my landing skills need some work. Stupid left hand, dude. Almost. Good Lord. There we go. Heck yeah. All right. I don't need a picture of that dude, but it's fun to catch though. All right, dude. Thank you, Jesus. Thanks for playing. Go get large. Peace. Well, they're liking the black with the blue flake today, man. I wish I'd have stayed right here the whole time. Come here, you. There we go. Right at the dock. Nice. Come on. Got him good. All right, right at the dock, right when it's time to go. Thank you, Jesus. Let's hit the road, baby. Peace. Not too bad. Rough morning. That point over there saved the day. I learned a lot today. I learned a lot today. All right. Let's get out of here.